In front of me is a LeEco LES3, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to enable it, you can simply tap on the Recent button right here, where you have all the toggles, and you want to go a little bit further where you'll find this moon icon, Do Not Disturb mode, and you can simply tap on it and now it will be or enabled. Now if you want to set it up and customize it, you can actually hold the icon and it will take you straight to the settings. So from here I'm going to disable it for now. And number one, you can set up a rule right here. So let's just tap on Add Rule. You can name it whatever, doesn't really matter. And here we're going to go into Repeat. So we get to choose the days of the week. And I'm going to set it up as a work one. So I'm going to exclude Saturday and Sunday. Okay. And I want to start at 9 a.m. like so, and finish at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Okay, and there we go. And now let's go back. So now it's gonna turn on automatically from Monday through Friday at 9 till 5. And so let me just check one more thing. Wait, there it was. And here you also have Do Not Disturb mode rule, which right now it's priority only, alarm, or total silence. So you have three choices. Priority only is the only one that you can actually customize, while alarms only is already preset to be alarms only, like the name suggests, and total silence, also like the name suggests, is, well, no one. So I'll advise on keeping it on priority only, and from here you can actually go to the priority interruptions right here and customize it how it works. So number one, you have the messages, which by default looks like it's set to none. You can tap on it and choose either anyone, contacts only, steered contact, or favorite contacts, or no one. And calls have the exact same options, so choose whichever one you want. And then on top of that, you have for calls additional option right here that will allow you to let the caller reach you the second time around, as long as they call within a 15-minute period. So this is a good setting if you're expecting some kind of, I guess, event that you really want to be aware, so then the person can just call you twice in a row, and the second time they will be able to reach you even though you would be in Do Not Disturb mode. Now the 15-minute period, in my opinion, is a little bit too long. So keep that in mind that this is set to 15 and you cannot change that. Other devices might actually have like a 5-minute period, which I would consider to be way better, at least for this purpose right here. But unfortunately there is no way of changing this. So once you have set that, then whatever the Do Not Disturb mode right here is set to, which as you can see it's priority only, will be affected by this. And yeah, so that is how you would set it up, and it will automatically turn on and off at the specific times that are set, unless you automatically toggle it on and off through here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.